Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. We are in the wild at the moment. Well, let me just show you. Everall Country Park. My son's over there playing around, and the missus in the other one. So I thought I'd come and it's challenge lock day, so I thought I'd do a challenge lock out in the wild. This is from pickme1977. We're not seeing Pick Me for a while. I hope he's okay. He is well missed, and it's called Red Red Wine. I'll show you the bitting. And it is a Pro Series Masterlock 6835. Brought my Sparrows kit with me. Hopefully we can get this picked. As you can hear, my daughter's now kicking off because she is tired and grumpy. Same as usual, really. What we're doing is we're not going to do the gutting here. I'll do the gutting at home. Get some nice clicks. I think we're going to have to go for a deeper hook. A quick reset. Oh. See if I can get a longer. That's better. Longer tension wrench. So we're getting some very nice clicks. Let's go for a reset. Not too happy with that pick. Click on one. Sorry we're out of view there. To reset, I've overset something. Oh, tension wrench again. I don't know if you can hear that noise behind me, but we have a very, very nice waterfall. Oh, I think we're close, but not close enough. Oh, there we go. We are open. There we go. Wonderful lock from Pick Me. Really enjoyed that. Don't do much picking outside, so quite a strange feeling. But as I say, very nice lock. Let's lock it back up, and I'll show you that it works absolutely fine. Hello, it's my son.
Hello.
Let's just retension this, and we'll show that it does work absolutely fine. There we go, it works fine. What we'll do is, when I get home, we'll do add to this video with the actual gutting. But, yeah, cool. I will see you soon. The noise you could hear in the background is this very, very beautiful waterfall. Which runs out to the other side. Down there. I was sat over there picking. I will see you back at the lock lab where we'll get the gutting finished. Say bye.
Bye.
Power of magic. We are now back from the trip outside. We've got Pick Me's lock. We're going to do a gut, and I've got a couple of other things to show you as well. Little parcels I've got for the last couple of days, and on that trip we saved a POW, just like Matt's done. Did it myself. First of all, let's get well, let me just pause for a minute. We need to get a longer screwdriver. Sorry about that. It's a bloody struggle to get this out. I just realised the fitting is a triangle one, which is unusual. But then again, I have never gutted one of these, so I can't be 100% sure why. There we go. Do apologise. Got it sorted though, as you can see. Looks like we're crimped on the back. Might. Yep. We can gut it. Right. Just get the magic follower from Fox's. Possibility we're going to have to use a shim just because of the groove on the back, and they could be, they're homemade ones, they could be a T-pin in there, and I don't want to get it trapped. There we go. Let's move this camera. Right, there we go. Yeah, I've got a few, got a little parcel off Mr. Gordon W. Awesome lad. Please check his channel out. Oh, there we go. As you can see, let's bring this over to the light a bit more. I usually have the big light on behind me, but I haven't got it on at the moment, so the screen's that tad bit darker. I do apologise. Let's get the pinning tray. Yeah, I got a couple of parcels, and I got a total surprise one from Alan from UKLP. Oh, nice little serrated key pins. There's a possibility they're standard, or even though it is an American lock anyway, it's master lock in it. They look like American commercial pins. But we have got, grab a pick. Do you know what, 1 second, I'm going to get in the light. We are now back with some light. There we go. So we have got threading in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we're fully threaded in there. Got tweezers. See, we've got hiding in here. Like I say, I haven't seen Pick Me for a very long time now. He's not made a video for a long time. I truly do hope the dude's okay. Very nice rated key pin. Standard spring. Driver, do apologise. Bugger, it ran off. Oh, that's very nice. Work on that driver there, I like that. It's got an American spring in it. Because I've noticed with all American springs there are like a coppery colour compared to like more of a brass colour. That's what I've noticed through picking them. Oh, very nice pin, homemade pin there. With a steel spring. Apologies we're not in shot properly there. I just don't want to lose these. Very nice spool. And last but not least, he's just above the shear line. Gotcha. There we go. And 2 more. Oh, do apologise. We got definitely got some work in there. We've got threading in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We've got threading in the Bible as well. Very cool. Let me show you these pins. So this is what we've got from pickme1977. We've got these are commercial key pins. And we've got a commercial, well, I think, no, it's a commercial driver. This is definitely a homemade key pin. It's a spool with a little bit of a T-pin on the end. This is another homemade one, very nicely serrated, nice and wide. Can pick it up with the tweezers, which is nice and deep. Number 4 is a very nice, this was a commercial spool, and then he's modified the centre of it. As you can see, it steps down like a cake inside. That's very cool. And a commercial in 5. Springs, we've got a brass, copper, steel, copper and brass. Absolute awesome lot from Pick Me. Absolute great job. Thank you very much, Bill Bacardi, for sending me. Absolute awesome dude. And what we'll do now, we'll move this just to one side and I will show you a few things that I got the other day. I got a, where's it gone? There we go. We got a small parcel from good buddy, Mr. Gordon W. He sent me one of his challenge locks. I put Gordon W on it, mate, because there was nothing on it. No key with this. It's a Yale. Nice keyway. I've had a couple of goes of it. Not opened it yet. Very tricky. But I said to him, I've got quite a few Yale keys. So I said to him, what I'll do is I'll get it picked off camera if I can. Or if I do it on camera, I do it on camera. But either way, get it picked and I will make him a key for it. Then it can be sent off. But thank you for sending that, Gordon. Also, Gordon kindly sent me another American lock. And if you have a look, it is there. He sent me this really nice brown USA 1105. Comes with a key. It works absolutely beautifully. Keys up there with all my other American locks. But absolutely love this. Awesome. Big thank you, Gordon, my friend, for sending this. Absolute awesome, my friend. Also, I can't. I was going to say I could have shown you your. What is I've traded him a 5200 that I had spare for that. I'd show it you, mate, but it's all wrapped up in a parcel. With I made a key for him because there's no key for it. Bill Bacardi sent me some nice duplicates, and I made him a key for the 5200, and it works absolutely fine. But it's just packed away in a parcel at the moment, ready to be sent off soon. Matt's my friend. Your winnings is going on Monday. Barebacks is already gone. And also, quickly, yesterday, wasn't expecting nothing in the post. Surprisingly, looked on the floor, got a package, and it was a brand new Abus 7240 from Alan from UKLP. He'd got this brand new and he was having trouble with it. He was having problems with it. The key had got jammed in it. I think couple of the springs, well, they had, because 4 of the springs were destroyed, had got caught in the pins and wasn't allowing the key to be removed. And he was going to chuck it because, to be honest, you couldn't do anything with it at the time. It would have been useless. But he was kind enough to send it to me, and as you can see, it works absolutely beautifully. Fixed it, sorted it. I've replaced the springs with the American springs, which are practically the same size. But besides that, it's absolutely brand spanking new. Bit isn't quite nice as well. The other thing is, he started something off again now. We've got all these coloured Americans, and now it looks like it's going to get out of hand, this, because I'm probably going to want different versions of this Abus. Now, I picked plenty of these, but I've never actually owned one, so this is my first one. Green is my favourite colour. But a big shout out and a big thank you to Alan from UKLP. Absolute awesome guy. That is him over here, if you can see where my finger is. He does a variety of lock picking gear because he has a shop. I'll leave his name in description and everything. Also, the POW that I found. So the POW that I found while I was out in the wild doing that, picking that lock of pick-me's, obviously we'd had some dinner and everything, and as I went to put the rubbish in the bin, on top of the bin, I don't mean on top of the bin, actually in the bin on top of the rubbish, was this baton. Brass padlock. Says it's hardened. I've seen plenty of these locks all over the place, but I don't know if it works. I put a pick in it. Pins seem to be a bit stiff, so it probably needs a good soaking. Maybe that's why it was being thrown on top of the bin, or maybe someone just found it and threw it inside the bin, but, you know, had to be rescued. So there, my friend, a POW rescued. But yes, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Big shout out to Alan, big shout out to Gordon W, a big shout out to Bill Bacardi and pickme1977. Great bunch of lads. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.